सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। एकनवत्युत्तर त्रिशततमी कक्षा अद्य 391 क्लास टुडे। गतकक्षायां किं कुत्र वयं स्थगितवन्तः? पदपरिचयः समाप्तः आसीत्। श्लोक एतावत्पर्यन्तं सार्ध-षट्पञ्चाशत् श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः। 100 श्लोकेषु सार्ध-षट्पञ्चाशत् श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं संक्षेपरामायणात् अस्माभिः पठितमस्ति। एतावन्तः श्लोकाः सार्ध-षट्पञ्चाशत् श्लोकाः पठिताः सन्ति। पूर्णतया इदानीम् आकाङ्क्षां पश्यामः। श्रीनिवास, we will go to the Akanksha, having finished 56 and half slokas. Yes, dadaha. That is the catchy verb here. Cremated. Kaha dadaha. Who cremated?
Mahabahu Raghava dadaha.
That mighty armed Raghava burnt. Raghava kam dadaha. Whom did Raghava burn? Tam
kabandham dadaha.
Tam him kabandham, by name Kabandha Rakshasa dadaha, burnt. Mahabahu Raghava kim krutva tam dadaha. Doing what he burnt the him.
Tam hatva dadaha.
He burnt him having killed. Tam hatva, having killed him, dadaha, he cremated him. Hataha saha kabandaha kutra gataha. Where did Kabandha go being killed?
Saha kabandaha swaha gataha.
That Kabandha went to Swarga, heaven. Swaha, Swargam gataha. Swargataha sa cha saha kim kathayamasa. What did he say having going to the heaven?
He Raghava, Dharmacharini, Dharma Nipunam,
Shravanam,
Shabarim, Abhikacha, iti kathayamasa.
So, Hey Raghava, O Rama, Dharmacharinim, the follower of Dharma, pious, Dharma Nipunam, expert in Dharma, Shravanam, that sannyasini, Shabarim, Abhigacha, approach. Iti thus kathayamasa. So the Kabandha, while going to the heaven, he advised Rama to meet forth with Shabari, who was a very experienced and pious lady and a sannyasini. Saha Kabandha dharmacharinim Shabarim kasya kathayamasa. Saha Kabandha, that Kabandha dharmacharinim Shabarim kasya kathayamasa. He told to whom, that Kabandha told to whom about that pious lady Shabari.
Asya Raghavasya kathayamasa.
Here Shashti is used, Srinivas, in the sense of two, not any of. Generally Sambandhartha we use Shashti. Swaswami Bhava Sambandhe we use Shashti. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha. Dasharataha Ajasya putraha. So in Sambandhartha we use generally, and also we use Shashti while showing possession. Mama Samipe Ramayana Pustakam Asti. Mama Samipe. We take the help of Samipa Shabda. Mama Ramayana Asti. Also you can say, but Samipa makes very clear the sense. Since we have already noted that we do not have in Sanskrit verb like have in English. I have, you have, she has, they have, we don't have. So we take Shashti. Possession is conveyed by Shashti Vibhakti. But sometimes two in the sense of two in English, like in this sentence. Asya Raghavasya Katha. He told to this Raghava, Rama. Kabandha told to Rama. Anvayartha. Patatu.
महाबाहुः राघवः कबन्धं निहत्य तं ददाह.
So, okay, pause there. That mighty armed Raghava Rama, having killed Kabandha, Kabandham Nihatya, having killed Tam Dadaha, he burnt him. Sahacha, read.
सहच कबन्धः स्वः गतः.
That Kabandha went to heaven.
हे राघव धर्मनिपुणां धर्मचारिणीं श्रमणां शबरीम् अभिगच्छ इति सः कबन्धः अस्य कथयामास.
O Rama, Dharma Nipunam, that well-versed expert in the Dharma, translated by several ways. Dharma means here justice or whatever you say, religiosity. Dharmacharini, and who is also a follower of that Dharma. Shramanam, that sannyasini. Shabari is her name. Abhigacchaiti, approach iti. Sa Kabandha, that Kabandha, Asya Kathayamasa, he informed or told to Rama. Now we go to Padartha, Srinivas. Mahabahuhu.
विशालबाहुः राघवः.
So Maha means great, mighty, anything great arms, mighty arms. Mahantau Bahu, later the Vigraha Vakya will be seen. Kabandham.
कबन्धनामकं राक्षसं.
So his name is Kabandha, proper name. Nihatya. Marayitva. Nihatya hatva. Marayitva. Tam Kabandham Dadaha. Dagdhavan. Dadaha. Dahati Dahataha. Dahanti iti sadharana kriyapada daha. And this is a lit, as we are studying in this Ramayana, so many forms of lit forms. Lit lakara. Past tense, perfect, past perfect tense. So dadaha means adahat. If you take simple lung past tense, imperfect past tense as we call in English, adahat. Ramaha kabandham adahat, hatva adahat. But Dagdavan is ktavatu, Dagdavan. Next, Sacha Kabandha. And that Sacha Kabandha means referring to the earlier Purvam Varnitaha Kabandha. Swaha Swargalokam Gataha Agachat. He Raghava, he Rama. Dharma Nipunam. Kushalam, expert in Dharma. Dharmacharinim. So who was very, very sincerely following Dharma, pious, etc. There is Nipuna and Charini. Dharma Nipuna. Dharme Nipuna. Dharma Nipuna. Dharmam Charati iti. Tam Dharmacharinim. Okay. Shramanam. Parivrajikam. Sannyasinim. Shavarim. Shavari Namadheyam. Namakam. Abhigaccha iti. Iti. Abhigaccha nama samipam gaccha iti. Yahi. Yahi nama gaccha. Gaccha iti evam. Yahi nama gaccha iti evam. Ya gamane. Ya going. Yati yataha yanti. Yami yavaha yamaha. Yahi is lot. Lot lakara. Imperative mode. Madhyama Purusha. He Raghava. Tam Shavarim Abhigaccha. Abhigaccha nama Tam Shavarim Pratigaccha iti. Abhigaccha. Okay, approach. That is the correct word. Then seek for Saha Kabandha Asya Ramasya Kathayamasa Kathitavan. Akathayat. If you take lang lakara Akathayat. So evam padarthaha santi. Idanim bhavartam pashyamah.
दीर्घभुजः रामचन्द्रः घोरदर्शनं कबन्धं वारयित्वा
अग्नौ
अदहत्.
ओके. दीर्घभुजः महाबाहुः इति पदस्य अन्यत् पदमत्र प्रयुक्तम् अस्ति. दीर्घभुजः रामचन्द्रः श्रीरामः राघवः घोरदर्शनं कुरूपिनं कबन्धं मारयित्वा हत्वा अग्नौ अदहत्. He burnt him in the fire, having killed that mighty armed Rama, having killed the terrible formed Kabandha, burnt him ओके सच
कबन्धः पार्थिवं शरीरं
त्यक्त्वा
स्वर्गयोग्यं गन्धर्वरूपं प्राप्तवान्.
And that Kabandha Parthivam Shariram Tyaktva, having left his physical body, Swarga Yogyam Gandharva Rupam Dhruta Praptavan. He took the form of Gandharva, eligible to go to heaven. Swarga Yogyam, suitable to the heaven. Having left that horrible form, that Rakshasa took the form of Gandharva, suitable for going to the heaven.
अतः स्वर्गः गच्छन्
स्वर्गं
गच्छन् सः कबन्धः रामाय धर्मचारिणीं शबरीम् अभिगच्छ इति उक्तवान्.
Tataha, then while going to the Swargam Gachan, while going to the heaven, Saha Kabandha, that Rakshasa Kabandha, Ramaya to Rama, Dharmacharinim, Shabarim Abhigaccha iti Uktavan. He told to Rama to approach the Dharmacharini, that pious and beautiful lady Shabari. So that is it. Now I find in Angla Anuvada, having made short work of him, I don't know, something meaningless is come here. Having made short work of him, I don't know, having burnt, I think having, what could be there, I don't know, there is some printing mistake is there. Having burnt him, to take having burnt that Rakshasa, the mighty armed prince, cremated him. Having killed Undal, it should be, isn't it? Having killed him, okay, anyway, if you understand well. Having killed only, because if you take any Sanskrit and Hindi translation, having made short, but somehow the words have been jumbled here. That is meaning, this part is meaningless. Those who are watching her, please correct this. Having made short work of him is totally irrelevant here. Okay, we go to Nidarsana Srinivas, Vyakarnamshaha. Amshaha, Prathamamshaha, Sandhihi, Mahabahur Dadaha, simple, Visarga. Swargatascha, Swargataha cha, Punaha Visarga Sandhi. Swargataha.
Swaha plus gataha.
Already we could do that also earlier. Swaha gataha plus cha, Swargataha. 2 times he has given. Chasya, cha plus savarna. Abhigaccheti, abhigaccha plus iti gunasandhi. Sacha, sahacha visarga lopa sandhi. Very simple. Kha samasaha, mahabahuhu.
Mahantu bahu yasya saha.
No, this is the etad vigrahavakyam asti, asya samasasya. Mahan mahantau mahantaha iti prathama. Mahat shabda pullinge mahan mahantau mahantaha. Yataha hi sarvasya purushasya dvau bahu bhavatah. Ataha bahu mahantau iti dvivachara prayoga tatra. Mahan bahu na mahantau dvau bahu dvaveva bhavatah. Sarvasya purushasya dvau sarvasya praninaha dvaveva bahu bhavatah. Ataha dvau iti na vaktavyam. Mahantau bahu yasya saha, the one who has mighty arms. Dharmacharinim, dharmam charati iti, and then tam derived. Dharmam charati iti dharmacharini, tam dharmacharini, dharma nipunam. This is Saptami Tatpurusha. Dharme nipuna, dharma nipuna, expert in the dharma. Ga krudantaha, participles, nihatya, ni upasarga, han dhatu, lyap, ya, lyap tatra lyavante kevalam ya iti aksharam, akshara avasesham bhavati. Dharmacharinim, dharma, dharma iti padam, chara iti anyat, nini in iti pratyaya, punaha ni pratyaya. So evam prakarena dharmacharini iti siddham bhavati padam. गतः वयं जाने गम इति धातुः क्तान्त गतः श्रमण
श्रम धातु
श्रम इति धातुः ल्यु इति प्रत्ययः टाप् उपरि ल्यु उपरि टाप् प्रत्ययः स्त्रीलिंगे श्रमण कर्तरि in the active voice. So now there are two forms we are coming across in Lyu is one. There is one more Lyut. Sometimes Lyut. It is Lyu with T. Lyut pratyaya is used to make abstract nouns. Gam, Lyut, Gamanam. Now this Lyu you get Ana, not For example, here Sramana is there, Sramana is there. Nandana, Madana, these are all formed with Lyu. Madanaha, Nandaraha, etc. etc. So that is the one small observation. And finally, Gha, Taditanta, only one, Eka Eva Shabda. Raghu, Raghava is derived Raghu plus An pratyaya, from which you get only A into operation. Raghoho apatyam puman Raghavaha. So this comes under the category called Tasya apatyam. It is Sutra. There is a Sutra, Tasya apatyam. Tasya apatyam. Tasya means his apatyam child. Under that group of Tadita you get this. Tasya apatyam. It is Sutrena. And you get Raghava. Raghu becomes Raghava. Of course, Vriddhi, Adi Vriddhi is there. Ra becomes Vriddhi, Raghavaha. Raghoho apatyam puman Raghavaha. Dasharathasya apatyam puman Dasharatihi. Dasharatihi. Dasharathasya apatyam puman Dasharatihi. So you get that. Okay, abhyasam pashamah trimsham slokat Srilingam padam chitva. You pick up Srilinga words from the sloka. 4, I think. How many is asking? Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatra Kshamitam prayuktam pratyayam nidishta, and specify the pratyaya given there. Srinivas, try out.
शबरीं धर्मचारिणीं श्रमणा धर्मनिपुणा.
Shabarim 1. He wants you to slokat Strilingam padam chitva. Pick up only Strilinga pada. So first one is Shabari.
Yes.
Shabari and Dvitiyanta, right? Slokat Strilingam padam chitva. Not necessary any Strilinga you pick up and show the prayuktam pratyayam nirdishita and point out that pratyaya, Srinivas. Shabarim. So pratyaya here is Neep, Srinivas, Neep. What is the, you see Dharmacharinim is there na? Above? That show that. That is Neep. That is the pratyaya here in Shabari. Shabarim is the word Shabara plus Neep, Shabari. Okay? Again, I'm sorry, Shabarim. Then Dharmacharinim, already it is given Neep only. Srinivas. 4 Strilinga Shabdas are Srinivas. One is Shabarim, next is Dharmacharinim. Shabarim pratyaya is Neep, Dharmacharinim pratyaya is Neep. Sramana. Sramana word is also used, isn't it? Strilinga Shabda. And there the pratyaya is top. This I will write later. Top. You get in top, akara will be there, Srinivas. Top, you get a. So Sramana becomes Sramana. Then Dharma Nipuna is also there. Again top. Top means this is pratyaya, where from top ta will be lopa, lupta, up pa will be gone, only a will remain. Like you can understand better lep you know na, nihatya, we have just come across nihatya. कबंधम निहत्य नि उपसर्ग हन धातु लेप प्रत्यय what is the final sound that is left in lep? L is gone, p is gone, ya is taken. Nihatya agatya pravishya, you take pravishya, better, where tugagama is there, you get confused. Pravishya, you take pra upasarga, visha dhatu, ya. Srinivas. Now to understand this top or any pratyaya for that matter, some words get deleted. Just 1 second I want to. If you understand lep, this is lep na. I am purposely writing breaking. This is dropped. This is dropped. Only this is taken. Where we take pra upasarga visha dhatu. Yeah. So you get from this pravishya. So what we are calling this ya? We are calling this lep. Similarly, top is there, na? What are there? Ta is there, a is there, pa is there. Pa will be gone, ta will be gone. You take this a, add to, what is the word used with top? I said just now. Shramana. Basic shabda is Shramana. Srinivas. Add a, it becomes Shramana only becomes. So top means, now what we call this? Top. Like that. So just understand how these pratyayas lose the beginning and the last sound. Okay. Similarly, neep, Srinivas. The above neep. I have not written neep. Neep, nya will be gone, e will be there, pa will be lost. Okay, second part. Prakriti pratyaya vibhagam kuruta. Now you divide. What is the base and what is the suffix? Nihatya, already done for ni, hana plus lep. So lep you get yana, just now shown. Vilokya, do it. Lok plus ya. Avalokya, very simple. Lok plus ya. Nirvapya. Nir upasarga. Then vapa, in causal it becomes vapa. Nirvapa lep again. So these are the splittings. One more, two more are there. Nir plus vapa plus ya. Lep, I mean to say. Nir plus gam plus lep. Upavishya. Upa plus vish plus lep means ya. That's all very simple, na? Vilokya, fast do it. V plus lok, lep. Avalokya, ava plus lok plus yep. Nirvapya, nir plus vap, vap. This is causal, so vap comes. The basic verb is, root is vapa. Vapati, to sow, scatter, weak, cut, etc. Extinguish also. Nirvapya. Nirgamya, nir plus gam, lep. Upavisha, upa plus vish plus lep. Okay, very simple. Sutiya amshaha. Vigraha vakyam likata. Now Vigraha vakya is to be written here. Mahabahu, already we have come across, Srinivas, on page, just the other page, 196. Mahan tau bahu yasya saha. Now tikshna matihi. You have to try it. Tikshna matihi. Bahuri samasa this. Tikshna matihi yasyaha. Tikshna matihi yasya saha.
यस्या सा तीक्ष्णमतिः
No, this could be Pullinga or Strilinga. Tikshna matihi yasya saha. Tikshna matihi. Mahabuddhihi Visena. Mahabuddhihi is used to Rama and other people. So how do you give the Maha Vigrahvakya there? Mahati buddhihi yasya saha. Mahabuddhihi. Similarly, Tikshna matihi yasya saha. Tikshna matihi. This we will write, Srinivas. The ga, what is ga? Read.
Satyasandaha.
Similarly, Sandha Shabda is promised. We have already come across on page 136. Sandha Shabda is given. Sandha means Pratigna, Maryada, etc. Paryaya padas are also given there. Satya Sandha Yasya Saha. Srinivas. Satya, because Sandha is Strilinga Shabda. Now be careful. Sandha Shabda is Strilinga. Mati Shabda is Strilinga in the above one, in the ka one. In Tikshna Mati iti samase, Mati Shabda Strilinga hasti. Yataha Mati Shabda Strilinga vartate, Tikshna iti yat Visheshanam asti tatra, tat Visheshanam api Strilinge tatra prayoktavya. Tat Visheshana padam api Strilinge prayoktavayam. Mati, following Mati, Matim Anugachan. Matim Anugachan or Anugachat, etat padam api Tikshna padam api Strilinge bhavati. Tikshna matihi. Evameva Satya Sandha. Satya Dirgha Sandha Yasya Saha. Kashayambaraha. This you can do, I think. Srinivas. Ambara Shabda is Napumsakalinga, basically. Kashayam Ambaram Yasya Kashayambaraha. The one who has, he whose cloth is saffron. Saffron clothed, robed. Understand? Kashayambaraha means a saffron robed person. Sannyasi. That is Kashayambaraha means sannyasi. What is Nya? Chandramukhi. Now here the gender is changing, Srinivas. It is not Chandramukha, Mukhi. So, how do you give the Vigrahvakya? Chandraha iva mukham yasyaha sa Chandramukhi. She yasyaha who has the face mukham like that of the moon. Chandraha iva mukham yasyaha sa. Chandraha iva mukham yasyaha sa. Or you can develop in two stages. Chandraha iva mukham chandramukham. Chandramukham yasyaha sa. Next. Rajiva lochanaha. Lochana Shabda is Napumsaka. Lochanam, lochane, lochana. Netram, netre, netrani. Nayanam, nayane, nayanani. All the words are in Napumsaka. So, Rajiva is also Napumsaka. Rajivam, Rajive iva lochane yasya saha. Rajiva lochanaha. Saha he, yasya who has lochane eyes, iva like I am coming from the back, try to understand. Saha he, yasya who has lochane eyes, iva like Rajive, like the lotus. Rajive iva lochane yasya saha. The one who has got lotus-like eyes. So we say, how do you translate generally into English? Lotus-eyed with hyphen. Lotus-eyed. Rajiva lochana. Rajiva netraha we say na. Rajiva netra also we say. Kamala netraha. Then last one cha. Krushodari. This is a Strilinga Shabda. Krusham, Udaram. Krusha is thin, lean. Krusham, Udaram, Yasyaha Sa. That lady, she who has a slim tummy. She who has got a slim tummy. Udara means stomach, right? Krusham, Udaram, Yasyaha. These all must be written, Srinivasa. Etani sarvanyapi tatra lekhaniyani eva. Shweta palake. Krishna palakam nasti asmakam samipe Shweta palakam asti. Anantaram chaturtamshaha samanartha shabdam lekhaniyam. Kathayamasa. One is given nihatya. Already given in the book. Nihatya nama marayitva. Kathayamasa. What do you think another similar word? It is already used in the book. Just now we come across. Kathayamasa katitavan. Akatayat uktavan. Uktavan. Similar word. Uktavan. Shavarim. Now this is a new exercise here in this. So far we did not do, it is coming from the last abhyasa. Etadrusha abhyasa ita purvam asmabhi na krutah. No, he wants a samanartha. Kiratim. Kiratim. Shavari is a kirata. Kiratim. Kirata kiratim. Mahavahuhu. Maha Bhujaha is given there. I think in Bhavartha is given. Dirgha Bhuja is given. Yeah, anyway. Mahabahuhu Dirgha Bhujaha. You can take that Dirgha Bhuja. Mahabahu better is Dirgha Bhujaha. That is better. Next. What do you think? Pavitram, okay? Pavitram, Punyam, any similar word. Punyam, Pavitram. That is the literal meaning, but here is different word he wants. So either you say Pavitram, Punyam. Punyam, Srinivas. So these are the, we repeat and we will also write Kathayamasa Uktavan, Shavarim Kiratim, Mahabahuhu, Dirgha Bhujaha, Dharmacharinim Pavitram Punyam. Samasta Padam Likhata. Now Samasa you have to write. After this we will go for writing. One is Dharme Nipunaha, so is given as Dharma Nipunaha. Similarly, Karmani Nipunaha, very simple. Already given Vigrahavakya. You join them, compound. Samastam Kuru. Samasta Padam Karotu. Dharme Nipunaha is equal to Dharma Nipunaha. Karmani Nipunaha is equal to Karma Nipunaha. What is that? This is Vigrahavakya, Srinivas. Karmani Nipunaha is Vigrahavakya. You are making samasa now. Karma Nipunaha. Next, Jnane Nipunaha. Jnana Nipunaha. Vyakhyane Nipunaha. Nipunaha. Vyavahare Chaturaha. Vyavahara Chaturaha. This is the simplest. Vyavahare is Vyavahara Chaturaha. So we go to write here, Srinivas, from first Amsha onwards. 31st, what is the number? 35. Panchatrimshaha Abhyasaha. प्रथम अंशः 4 words only. Shavari, Shavarim is there. This is नीप. Next.
धर्मचारिणी.
Dharma. Also neep. Next.
श्रमणा.
Shramana.
श्रमणा.
Okay.
धर्मचारिणी.
Top. Next.
धर्म निपुणा.
Also top. There I put ditto. Nipunam. Okay. Then Dvitiyamsha. What is Dvitiyamsha?
प्रकृति प्रत्यय.
Okay. Vibhajanam karana.
The base.
Nihatya is given. Ka. Only 4, 5. Ka.
Kha.
Ka is given.
Lokya. V plus loka plus yap.
Vi iti upasarga. Loka iti dhatu. No.
Plus lyap.
Lyap. Right.
Avalokya.
Kakaga. Ava iti upasarga. Loka punah. Again lyap. Okay.
Nirvapya.
Ga.
Yeah. Ga. Nir. Iti upasarga.
Nir.
Va.
Papa. Lyap. This becomes vapa in a causal sense, but basic verb is vapa. Next.
Nirgamya. Nir.
Nir, gam, lyap. I can put a ditto, but I am writing here.
Cha. Upavishya. Upa iti.
Upa iti upa.
Upasarga.
Visha iti dhatu. Lyap punah lyap. Next.
Three.
Oh, over.
Ka is already given. Kha.
Ka is given. Kha.
Tikshnamatihi. So we have to write it.
Is this visible? Just see the visibility of green. Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Tikshnamatihi yasya saha. So you understand when Vigrahavakyam, Vigrahavakyasya avagamane evam karaniyam. Saha he yasya who has matihi intelligence which is sharp. He who has got intelligence which is sharp, sharp intellect. So like next.
Ka. Satyasandaha.
Satya iti visheshanam, sandha iti nama, yasya saha. Punah. He who has a promise which is truthful. Saha. Next.
Gha. Kashayambaraha.
Kashayam ambaram yasya saha. Srinivas. He who has got a cloth which is yellow. Kashayam ambaram yasya saha. Then
Chandramukhi.
Chandraha iva mukham Yasya Mukhi is there. Yasyaha sa. She who has a face like the moon. Now how beautifully it comes in. If you go like writing Urdu, she who has a face like the moon. Chandraha iva mukham yasyaha sa chandramukhi. Then cha is also there. Rajive iva lochane yasya saha. Now again come back. Saha, he who has the eyes like lotus. Lotus eyed. Over? Krusham udaram yasyaha sa. Now here understanding, sa, she who has a belly, who has a stomach or who has a tummy, who has a tummy which is slim, who has a slim tummy. So this way you understand. Let them see for some time. Read out.
Yeah. Shavarim.
Neep.
Neep. Dharmachalini. Neep. Shamanam. Tap. Dharma Nipunam. Tap. Number 2. Ka is all given. Kha. V plus lok plus yap.
Here we will write E. Here what is remain? A.
Ga. Ava plus lok plus yap. Gha. Nir plus vap plus yap.
Loka is not properly written here. Of course it is so many places, loka, 2 places.
Kha. Nir plus vap plus yap. Nir plus gam plus yap. Cha. Upa plus vish plus yap. Number 3. Kha tikshna madihi yasya saha. Ga satya sandha yasya saha. Ga kashayam ambaram yasya saha. Nya chandraha iva mukham yasyaha
Sa.
Cha rajive iva lochane yasya saha.
Rajive. Krusham
udaram yasyaha
sa. Krushodari. So trutiyamsham yavat vayam likitavantah. So samaptam chaturtamshaha. I think very simple, na? Only 4 words you will write. Kathayamasa uktavan shabarim kiratim mahabahuhu dirgha bhujaha dharmacharinim punyam pavitram. That you can note down. And the last one is simple, nothing to write here. Everywhere karma nipunaha, jnana nipunaha, व्याख्यान निपुणः व्यवहार निपुणः etc. चतुरः. योग निपुणः, if you say योगे निपुणः, right? So वयम् अग्रे सर्तुं शक्नुमः इदानीं. We can move here. श्लोकः पठ्यताम्. श्रवणां धर्मनिपुणाम् अभिगच्छेति राघव.
श्रवणं धर्मनिपुणाम् अभिगच्छेति राघव. सोऽभ्यगच्छत् महातेजाः शबरीं शत्रुसूदनः. शबर्यापूजितः सम्यक् रामो दशरथात्मजः.
पदच्छेदं करोमि. सः अभ्यगच्छत् महातेजाः शबरीं शत्रुसूदनः. शबर्यापूजितः सम्यक् रामः दशरथ आत्मजः. इदानीं पदपरिचयं. पदं सः.
तद् शब्दात् अकारः सर्वनाम पुंलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचनम्.
अभ्यगच्छत् लङ् प्रथमपुरुष. महातेजाः
सकारान्त पुंलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचन.
समस्त. शबरीं
द्वितीय एकवचनं
शत्रुसूदनः
अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्ग प्रथम एकवचनं समस्तपदं
शबर्या
ईकारान्तस्त्रीलिङ्ग तृतीय
एकवचनं पूजितः
अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्ग प्रथम एकवचनं
सम्यक् अव्ययं रामः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः दशरथात्मजः
अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्ग प्रथम एकवचनं
समस्तं पदम् ओके आकाङ्क्षाम् अभ्यगच्छत् अप्रोच्ड आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अप्रोच्ड वेण्ट् अप् टु कः अभ्यगच्छत् हू अप्रोच्ड हू वेण्ट् अप् टु
सः रामः अभ्यगच्छत्
दट् राम अप्रोच्ड सः रामः कीदृशः वाट् टैप् आफ् राम इस् ही
महातेजाः
महातेजाः मीन्स् आफ् ग्रेट् ब्रिलियन्स् राम आफ् ग्रेट् ब्रिलियन्स् ग्लोरी देन् पुनः सः कीदृश अगेन् वाट् टैप् आफ् राम
शत्रुसूदनः
शत्रुसूदनः द किलर ऑफ एनिमीज सूदन मधुसूदन इज द नेम ऑफ कृष्ण मधु नाम राक्षसं सः मारितवानिति मधुसूदनः देन् कुत्र अभ्यगच्छत् वेयर डिड ही अप्रोच whom did he approach where did he approach
शबरीम् अभ्यगच्छत्
शबरीम् अभ्यगच्छत् approached Shabari पूजितः worshipped कः पूजितः who is worshipped
रामः पूजितः
Rama is worshipped कः रामः पूजितः what which Rama was or is worshipped
दशरथात्मजः रामः पूजितः
in आकांक्षा पद्धति रामः पूजितः means which Rama कः रामः which Rama it could be Balarama it could be Parashurama so that is to rule out that दशरथात्मजः रामः so further giving no scope for doubt दशरथात्मजः रामः पूजितः Rama the son of Dasharatha was worshipped कया पूजितः by whom was he worshipped
शबर्या पूजितः
he was worshipped by Shabari कथं पूजितः how was he respected honored worshipped
सम्यक् पूजितः
he was पूजित सम्यक he was very rightly worshipped properly worshipped इदानीं पदार्थं पश्यामः श्रीनिवास सः अन्वयार्थः शेषः अस्ति
सः महातेजाः शत्रुसूदनः शबरीम् अभ्यागच्छत् दशरथात्मजः रामः शबर्या सम्यक् पूजितः
ओके सः ही महातेजाः of great brilliance glory शत्रुसूदनः the killer terminator of his enemies Shabarim abhyagachat approached Shabari Dasharathatmajah Ramah Rama the son of Dasharatha Shabarya samyak pujitah he was worshipped by Shabari properly so padartham pashamah saha महातेजाः महौजाः महा ओजस् तेजस् ओजस् महातेजाः महौजाः शत्रुसूदनः शत्रुहन्ता मारकः इति शबरीं नामिकां परिव्राजिका a lady mendicant by name Shabari okay then Shabarim अभ्यगच्छत् प्रति अगच्छत् प्रत्यगच्छत् गतवान् went approached दशरथात्मजः no I told you ना दशरथस्य पुत्रः पुमान् दशरथस्य अपत्यं पुमान् दाशरथिः this is the तथित दशरथस्य आत्मजः नाम दाशरथिः रामः रामः राघवः शबर्या परिव्राजिकया by the what do you say mendicant lady called Shabari samyak sustu properly yeah sa samyak pujitah architah then bhavartham samskrita
सः महावीर्यवान् शत्रुहन्ता रामः शबरीं गतवान् तया रामः सम्यक् अर्चितः
Saha Mahaviryavan, that highly mighty Shatruhanta, killer of his enemies, Rama, Shabarim Gatavan, went to Shabari. Taya Rama, by her Rama, was nicely, properly respected, worshipped. Iti. Okay. इदानीं निदर्शनं व्याकरणांशः क प्रथमांशः संधि सोऽभ्यगच्छत्
सः प्लस अभ्यगच्छत् विसर्ग संधि पूर्व रूप संधि
Visarga Sandhi and Purvarupa. That Purvarupa because of that Avagra is Sobhyagachat. Abhyagachan Mahatejaha. Abhyagachan Mahatejaha.
Abhyagachat plus Mahatejaha.
Anunasika. The has become here na Abhyagachan Mahatejaha. Samyaga, sorry. What is that? Samyagramaha.
Samyak plus Ramaha Jastva Sandhi.
Jastva. Samyak has become ga here. Jasham. Samyak Ramaha. Samyak Ramaha. Dasharathatmajaha. Dasharatha plus Atmajaha. Savanadhi. Ramo Dasharathatmajaha. Ramaha plus Visarga Sandhi. Okay, Samasaha. Now here Tejas Shabda is Napumsakalingam. So therefore Mahat Napumsaka Shabda Prayoga. Mahat, what is it in Purlinga? If Mahat is to be derived in Purlinga, Mahan, Srinivas. What if Mahan, Mahanto, Mahanta? Strilinga?
Mahati.
Very good. Mahati, Mahatyau. It runs like Nadi. Mahati, Mahatyau. Mahatyaha. Mahabuddhihi. Mahati buddhihi yasya saha. Mahati, you can't say Mahat buddhihi there. Nor can you say Mahan buddhihi. Buddhi Shabda is Strilinga. Mahati buddhihi yasya saha mahabuddhihi. So Mahateja, Mahat Tejaha. Because Tejas is Napam. Shatru Sudanaha. Shatrunam Sudanaha. Sudanaha Marakaha. Shatrunam Marakaha Ghatakaha. Or otherwise Nihanta it's. Dasharathatmajaha. Dasharatasya Atmajaha. Very simple. Shashti Tatpurush. Atmajaha. Upapada Tatpurush. Atmanaha Jayate. Born from the self. Atmajaha. Nobody other than Putraha. Evam Katitaha. Atmajaha. Dasharathatmajaha. Dasharatasya Atmanaha Jayate. Jatavan Ramaha. Iti Dasharathatmajaha. Then Krudanta. Stri. Shatru Sudanaha. Sud.
Plus Lyut.
Lyut. Then you get Sudana. Lyut. Just now I told you, na? The difference between Lyu suffix and Lyut, it is already come here. From Sud Dhatu, you add Lyut, you get Sudana. Gam Dhatu, if you add Lyut, Gamanam. Mru Dhatu, if you add Lyut, Maranam. Srinivas. So all Anam. Neuter forms are formed, neuter abstract forms, nouns. Pujitaha, puja plus kta, that is passive formation. Kta, pujita, pujitaha. Then atmajaha.
Atman plus
Da. Atman is the shabda. Janiti, verb. Da iti pratyaya. Janirdaha. So you get atma jaha. See how this was formed. Atman, Jan and Da. Okay. Paryaya Vachina Shabdaha. Srinivas. Atmajaha is equal to Tanayaha, Putra. So all are used in the same. Samanarthi Paryaya Vachakaha Shabdaha. Tanayaha, Sunu. From Sunu you have English son, Srinivas. Sunu has become son. Suta, Putra, Atmajaha. Shatruhu, Ripuhu, Vairi, Arihi. Durhrt. Suhrit, opposite this is, Srinivas. Suhrit is a friend. Durhrit is an enemy. Dustam, Hrudayam, Yasya Sa. If you take this is a samasa. Srinivas. Durhrit is Bahuvri samasa. Dustam, Hrudayam, Yasya Saha, the Hrit. So Hrit is opposite. Shobhanam, Sundaram, Hrudayam, Yasya Saha. Dvit. One more is there, you have read? Dvit. Shakaranta Shabda. This is Shakaranta. This Dvit Vishau Dvishaha. Enemy. Shatru. Dvit Vishau Dvishaha. Dvisham Vishau Dvishaha. Dvisha Dvisha. Dvit Bhyam Dvit Bihi, etc. This is a Shabda. Shakaranta we have not come. Again Nipuna Shabda. Nipunaha means Pravinaha, Avignaha, Kushalaha, Patuhu, Nishnataha. All words are known to. Ete sarvepi shabdaha bharatiyanam suparichitaha santi iti aham manye. Nipuna shabdaha va, Pravina shabdaha va, Abhigna shabdaha na tavata parichitaha asmakam. Kushala shabdaha parichitaha, Patu shabdaha parichitaha, suparichitaha, Nishnata iti shabdaha api bahu ज्ञातः एव एवं प्रकारेण अस्माकं किम् अस्माकं निदर्शनं समाप्तमस्ति समय शुभं भूयात् पुनः मिलामः।